Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And no, you are not witnessing preparation for a horror movie. No, this is just part of my normal skincare routine. So anyways, we're gonna take this off and we're gonna do some skincare and then some makeup, and the makeup routine will be a little different today. What we are shooting in studio doesn't really require me to have a ton of makeup on, so I'm not gonna waste it. But I did think it was still important to come sit with you guys, chit chat, and do what I need to do related to both my skincare regimen as well as my makeup routine. Let's pull this off. Oh, this looks so freaky, like in the viewfinder or whatever, the display. This looks nuts. Oh my god. Now there's no real reason that I need to pull this off so slowly. I just wanted to. Alright, so we are all set. I have all of my products out. They are mostly opened, which I try to do just to make it easier and faster for me to get what I need. The only thing I really need to take care of now is putting some eye drops in my eyes, so that way my eyes are nice and bright. Yeah, let's do this. I'm going to use these two products in combination with one another. They're both by Image Skincare. One is a hyaluronic filler, which was a component of the sheet mask that I did earlier, and also some vitamin C. The vitamin C helps to even out my skin tone, also prevent acne, and the hyaluronic filler serum is nice and thick and very moisturizing, so extra moisture. And I rub the rest of it into the back of my hands. Now the next thing that I'm using is a brightening serum by Image. It's the Illuma line. Now I used just now a retinol serum and a Hydra C serum, which also I think has hyaluronic acid in there. So I'm getting a lot of, yeah, no hyaluronic acid in this last product. And my last product to put on my face and neck is going to be a stem cell, technically neck lift product. I apply it to my whole face. Between these treatments and these products, honestly, I've been seeing some really great results. I actually feel really good about my skin right now, and it makes me happy. So yeah, the final things that I'm going to use that are not related to serums and such are a thicker retinol cream, and I mix it with my what is this called? Sunscreen. I don't know why I forgot that word. I mix it with my sunscreen. So they're both thick products, and I feel like when I mix my sunscreen with a moisturizer, it helps keep the gray cast down a little bit, but honestly I don't really care. It doesn't really bother me. Sorry, I'm like just like looking at myself in the mirror, but I was thinking about something too, and so the combination of like looking at my skin and just feeling like really good about myself, and then thinking about some story that maybe we'll talk about another time. Okay, I'm being so silly right now. All right, let's get serious, because skincare is important and serious stuff, guys. All right, so how do I look? I think not too bad, you know? Let's do this makeup. So my face is going to be probably messed up. I struggle with like wanting to put like too much makeup on. It seems like why do that? But at the same time I want to be cute, so it's like maybe I should, you know, be a good sport, come like with my A game, wear whatever happens with a badge of honor. I'm like considering putting a full face on, but honestly I kind of don't feel like putting a full face on because there's no point of wasting the makeup. So I'm not going to. I'm just not going to. We're not gonna do like heavy duty eyeliner. We're just gonna do, you know, a light look. So without further ado, let's just jump the f into it because I'm stalling. So I'm going to start by taking out the brushes that I know I want to use. So I'm not gonna like walk through this because you guys have seen this before. I really don't do a lot of variance in my my look from day to day nor week to week, no matter if it's a light look or a dark look. You know what I'm using. You've heard it all before if you haven't watched a previous video. Also, the products I'm using, some of them aren't that impressive, so you really shouldn't be checking for what I'm doing when it comes to makeup. Not yet, at least. Maybe in the future that will change, but for now I'm using, some of this stuff is hella basic and also not available anymore. So there's that too. Yeah, I think that looks nice. And I really like how you can see kind of this like reflective orange to gold kind of effect, no matter like how the light is hitting it. Unlike every other day when I would normally use like a cranberry to accent, I'm not gonna do that. I'm instead going to use a bronze with the same brush but the other side, and I'm gonna apply that to my lower lash. Now this is very gold kind of bronze, which I think is still obviously in line with what I'm wearing and what I'm going for, but it is very, the shimmer is real. So now that I've packed that on, I think I'm going to reapply with my same brush, but I am gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna reapply the first color, which was the reflective kind of peach orange gold color. Now I'm seeing that this is not doing what I want it to do, because this channel's namesake is not only an actualization but also a curse, because no makeup ever comes out like how I want it at first, and it's always like a salvage job. This is looking quite cray. I wanted something that was a little more subdued and like natural looking, and perhaps if that's what I wanted, I shouldn't have used a shimmer product. I understand that, but that's kind of what I got. So I'm just working with what I got here, guys. Gonna try and mattify some of this excess shimmer. And it is well packed, as you can see. I don't know that it's important for you to see that. You can see that like this, so I'm gonna stop being dumb. And I'm just trying to, like I said, bring down this intensity. Should be too lit. You know what I mean? So now it's like a little more natch, right? A little more natch. But natch can be snatched. That's cute. No, it's not. Okay. It's a little more natural. So now that it's like less like crazy, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of that first shimmer product that I had put on, and I'm gonna apply it to my lower lid. I learned my lesson. I'm not gonna be too extra. I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep it on my lower lid and kind of creep up to the crease area, but not too much. Okay, now I'm liking what I'm seeing. 'Tis true. There is kind of like a natural, like a very like light gradient that I'm liking. So now I'm just gonna take a little bit of brown. This is more of it's not copper, I don't know, it's bronze. Yeah, I guess it's more bronze. It's a bronze foil, I think. So we're gonna like keep it cool. Don't do too much. Lightly pack my brush and just buff and blend the outer corner. So just to give a little depth, you know. We gotta be deep, yo. And I don't know why, I've always liked applying shadow. Like, I have like large eyes, I have a large eye area, but for whatever reason I really like overextending my shadow. I don't like keeping it right in the line. I kind of like a little bit of a messy look. I kind of like, I don't know, I just like it. What can I say? I don't know how to really describe it, so I'm not gonna try.
Carried away. This Wednesday, the Wausau Center Mall opens with a burst of excitement.
Hey guys, I want to tell you about my newest video on my review channel, Pursuit of Brilliance. Write it down. We try a lot of cool things, which I can't wait to share with you. First things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pursuit of Brilliance, and then rinse and repeat, because you know that's what we do. Catch you on the flip side. Bye! Now what I think I'm going to try and do, guys, is apply some cranberry underneath my eyes. But I'm kind of thinking I should do my concealer first. So we're gonna do that, okay? Cool. My concealer brush is needing to be cleaned. Clean it every few days, but it just gets like packed with product because I apply my concealer with the brush, and therefore it gets used. Now I'm going to apply some powder now that I've blended out my under eye concealer. So now that I have done all of that, I'm gonna apply some additional shadow to kind of, you see that I have this like sharp line, which sometimes is okay actually, but today I'm not going for that. I want that kind of buffed out, messy look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reapply some product around the corner of my eye. Okay, I'm cool with that. Now let's see if I can do this. I'm going to take a little bit of this cranberry color, which you probably don't see very well. I think I might take a little bit of this cranberry and also put it along. Oh, I like that. I'm not using a liner, remember, so I think that cranberry added a little bit of depth around the eye, which is nice. It also effectively closes off, I think, my eye, as in my eyes are pretty big. I am going to be applying mascara, but it makes my eyes look a little bit smaller because I closed off that with a color that is like closer to my skin tone, I believe. Now I'm going to torture my eyelashes with this medieval looking contraption. Try and get them to curl up. Never feels good. No matter, like, even when I, like, first of all, my eyelashes aren't that long, but even when I don't pull on it and keep it pretty far out, it still doesn't feel good. Hey, I'm missing stuff. There should be like a thing, I think, in here. Isn't this supposed to have like, I don't know if you can see it, but this one has, you know, rubber. This one doesn't. Is that how it's supposed to be? I don't even know. I don't even know how you use this. Probably totally doing this wrong. Am I supposed to, let's see. Okay, this, well, they both feel the same. I was thinking maybe, okay, this can't be right. Yeah, that's gonna like make it curl down, and also it's like the awkwardest angle. Maybe this is meant for like your lower line, you know? Which, who has lashes long enough to fucking try and curl your lower lash line? I don't know how you're supposed to use this product. I'm just really trying to do it a few times because I did this one like so many times. I don't want it to look like uneven. Oh no, don't blink. It's still wet. And I feel the gloop. And I don't want... I always do that when you're forced to blink because your fucking body is stupid. And you get it underneath your... You get mascara down here. Which I do have some, but it's not that bad. I have to wait for it to dry. And then I'm gonna cover it up. Fuck it. It's good enough. Now I just gotta do these brows, which are looking so tragic. Now, before I do my lashes...
What am I talking about?
It helps with not overdoing it with a pencil, which can make it very dark. So you see that my brows, while not matching exactly, look fairly even. And I don't want to go in and do any more than that with the pencil. So what I'm going to do is now take shadow, and I'm going to do the rest with shadow because I feel like I can control the overall darkness of my brows a lot easier with the shadow than I can with the pencil. And I don't want to mess up the shape because honestly, if at any point you get like a set of matching eyebrows, even if it wasn't the shape that you were going for, girl, you should just go with it. It's not worth it to try and like take it to a different level. Just be thankful, you know? This is probably a boring ass video. I don't know. I can't, oh, look at that. I messed it up a little bit. It's okay. This is recoverable. I'm not talking. And when I am talking, I'm talking about how I'm applying this makeup, which you can see. Like, I don't know that you need me to say anything. I don't know that you need anybody to say anything. I think if you have sight, just watch them. I feel like what they're saying, like, you can just see them doing that anyway. So I don't know that you really need someone to talk to you exactly about like what their technique is, because their choice of words and what they're actually doing, I don't usually feel like is that, like, it's not matching exactly, or it's not like really true. I don't know. I don't think you need to really hear me talking right now, so that's why I'm not talking when I'm not talking, because I feel like I'm talking about dumb stuff. Yeah, that's cool. I'm cool with this. I don't want to do anymore. I'm done. I think it looks good. I like it. I'm tired of doing this. I think the colors look nice together. I think it's a little different than what I normally do, which is I usually have much more cranberry. I barely have any on. And I think it looks good with like what I have going on with my little kimono thing. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, guys. All right, thanks for watching, and I will catch you later. Bye.
Yay, we recorded some shit.